Alright gang, today we're going to show you how we do our Apiguard treatments. If you live in the southeast, we've been in a tremendous heat wave, so the last couple of days it's cooled off. And preferably you use Apiguard Thymol below 90 degrees. If it's 90 or above, I would use 4 treatments, 25 grams a dose, at least a week apart. But it is rough on the bees, but I'm gonna tell you what's rougher: mites. So here's how I use it. Have to. That turned into a job. I'm gonna leave this for the video's sake, and as long as you've got some type of spacer. This one's got a little shim. I like to have at least a half to 3/4 of an inch, so I'm going to use this inner cover. But I put that right on the top of the colony, preferably right in the brood chamber, in the center of the brood. I'm about to run out. And I'm using 30 grams because we got less than 90 for about 3 more days. So that'll let them get past the crux of the off-gassing of the thymol. And I'll put this right above it, and I'll put their lid right back on it. I usually run a little piece of shade. We're under the trees here, so I don't put any foam on this one, but that's how I do it. And I'm not saying that's how you have to do it, but listen. You need to do some type of management for your mites. Your bees will appreciate it.